Very good morning, guys. Uh, I'm introducing here a new chapter, exponents and powers. This is a new chapter, and for you, it's a very new concept also. So first, I will try to introduce you what is exponent. You see here, suppose 3 and like 3 and 4. So in the term of exponents of power, it is called power, and this is called base. It must be remembered, it is called power and it is called base. So you would have solved many problems like that. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 is what? You have oftenly asked this types of sums, and you have already done it by multiplying it. 4 4 just 16 into 4 into 4, 16 4 ja 64 into 4, and like 4 4 ja 16, and 4 6 ja 4 4 ja 16, carry 1, 4 4 6 ja 24 plus 1 22 4 6. To convenience for the student to calculate in very short time, very easily, the concept of power or exponent is introduced in mathematics. So in the term of power and exponents, this sum will be 4 power to the 1 2 3 4. So it will be 4 power to the 4. This is also answer, and this is also the same answer. So this is simply for the convenience to make the lengthy calculations easier. The power or exponents are introduced. Okay, guys, here is the question. A by B into A by B into A by B into A by B into dot 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 n times. What will be its value? Before this chapter, no one was able to answer it. But when exponent and powers is introduced, so one can answer it very easily. So it will be A power to the B, A by B power to the n times. How many times the number are repeated, that becomes the power. Understand? How many times the numbers are repeated to be multiplied, and that becomes the power. This is the main point of the power. Main thing of the power is, I would like to draw your attention. X power to the n can be written as 1 by x power to the minus n. x power to the n can be written as 1 by x power to the minus n. Or 1 by x power to the minus m can be written as, if it will go up, the negative sign will become positive, x power to the m. You see carefully, इसको ध्यान से देखिए. ये this confuses very much. So 1 by x power to the n is equal to x power to the n, and x power to the n is equal to 1 by x power to the minus n is the value of x power to the n. So I would like to tell you that x power to the n is equal to x into x into x into x into x into x dot 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 n times. तो x पर n घात का मतलब होता है x इंटू एक्स इंटू एक्स इंटू एक्स इंटू एक्स इंटू एक्स n बार. आपको समझ में आ जाना चाहिए. यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड इट. वेरी इज इट? नो, इट इज़ नॉट टफ. बहुत आसान है इसे समझना. अब मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स विथ इंटीग्रल पावर्स. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेल about the laws of exponents and integral powers. और ये आपको बहुत मदद करेगा. It will help you a lot and you must memorize it. आपको इसे याद कर लेना होगा. हाँ. You see, if x comma y be any rational numbers other than 0 and m be a positive integer, then x power to the m into y power to the m, what is the value of x power to the m if x y and m be a positive integer, positive and be a positive integer, then x power to the m into y power to the m is what? क्या होगा? तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि ये इसका वैल्यू होगा. बेस डिफरेंट है और पावर इज सेम. बेस इज डिफरेंट, द पावर इज सेम, सो बेस विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड. ये जो आधार है x, हाँ, x इंटू वाई पावर टू दी, ये m हो जाएगा. और इसको आप लिख सकते हो x y पावर टू दी m. दूसरा जो सेकंड फार्मूला है ये है x by y पावर टू दी m को आप लिख सकते हो. यू कैन राइट x पावर टू दी m by y पावर टू दी m. In case base अब ये जैसे देख लीजिए x पावर टू दी m है इनटू x पावर टू दी n हो, तब क्या होगा? देखिए बेस इज सेम बट एक्सपोनेंट्स आर डिफरेंट. तब क्या होगा? तो you will not multiply but you will write सिंपली x पावर टू दी, ये एक्सपोनेंट्स जो है वो ऐड हो जाएंगे, m प्लस n, x के घाते m प्लस n हो जाएगा, ठीक है। अब अगला जो फार्मूला है, x पर m और पावर n अगर हो तो क्या होगा, ये जो पावर पर पावर है, एक्सपोनेंट पावर टू द पावर इज वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, m पावर x पावर टू द m इंटू n जाता है। अगला फार्मूला, x पर m डिवाइडेड बाई x पर n का मान होगा x पर m माइनस n। और मैंने बताया है आपको x पावर टू दी माइनस m बराबर होगा 1 बाई एक्स पावर टू दी m, और यू कैन राइट 1 बाई एक्स पावर टू दी m। और जो एक चीज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, वन थिंग विच इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, वेरी कॉमनली यूज्ड, और वो फार्मूला है कि a पावर टू दी जीरो इट इज 1। सो किसी नंबर पे अगर जीरो पावर है उसकी वैल्यू 1 होती है, और b पावर टू दी जीरो विल बी 1, c पावर टू दी जीरो विल ऑल्सो बी 1। गाइज प्लीज like, share and subscribe my video Numeric Galaxy, so that you can be benefited by my videos. Thank you. Here the questions from exponents and power. First question is, find the value of minus 5 power to the minus 4. So guys, जैसा कि हमने बताया आपको, its value will be 1 by minus 5 power to the 4. 1 by minus power to the 4 is equal to 1 by minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So it will be minus minus plus, plus minus minus, and minus minus plus. So it will be 1 by 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125, 125 5 are 625. So 1 6 2 5. So the value of 5 power minus 5 power to the minus 4 will be 1 by 625. Again, the value of 1 by power 3 power to the 3 minus 3 will be equal to 1 by 3 power to the 3, or you can write 3 power to the 3. It will be 3 power to the 3, and that is 3 into 3 into 3, and that is 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, and the value of minus 1 by 3 power to the minus 3 is equal to -27, and this is the answer.